Waiting for Ottawa's real estate market to pick up? It hasn't done too much yet. So what does that mean if you are buying, selling, or renting this spring? Welcome to February 2024 in Ottawa, where both the Canal and the Ottawa real estate market have thawed but are moving slowly. The home sales in January this year were 10.7% below the 5-year average, and they're 3.9% below the 10-year average. Let's look at some stats and then let's talk about what they mean.
The benchmark price for all homes in Ottawa was of $621,600. That's slightly higher than January of 2023. Single-family homes were very similar. The benchmark price for those was about $703,000. You can see the prices for other categories on the screen or find some more at nickfundytus.ca for detailed stats.
How many homes sold? Well, there were 1,271 homes sold in January, and that was 12% fewer than just a year ago. At the end of the month, there were 1,844 homes still for sale on the Ottawa MLS.
If the market stopped listing homes today, it would take approximately 3.1 months for the remainder to be sold. That's what we call the absorption rate. These are citywide numbers, and every buyer, seller, or neighborhood is different. What does this mean for you?
So what is the current market looking like in February if you are considering a move? Well, number one, inflation has been higher than it's expected. The predicted rate decreases, and I had sort of guessed that these would happen around May and again in September. There may be a delay on those. They may not even come. So that may change some plans. If you're a seller, this means that we may continue to see a bit of a weak year to start or even through the year. So be really realistic about your pricing. You can't shoot for 2022 prices or 2020 prices. Make sure you are using data-driven decisions. And of course, your realtor, us, we can help you with that. Finally, if you are a home buyer, I mean, the future is uncertain here. You don't know whether rates are going to go up or down. That may, that may sort of suggest if you are securing a mortgage, you might want to look at a fixed rate rather than a variable rate if there's a chance that rates could go up again. Again, have those conversations with your mortgage broker. Look at stats. Every decision you make should be a data-driven decision. So I want to make sure you're using good information. And of course, we can help you find that as well.
Today's video is just a snapshot. Message me or the team to find out how your specific situation changes.
We'd love it if you'd comment on the video. And if you want to find out more from us, you can find us at nickfundytus.ca or any of our socials. If you love this video and you think that somebody you know would benefit from the information here, please share it with them. And we'd love it if you'd click the little bell and subscribe. We will see you next month. And until then, we are here for all your questions. So please reach out and tell us what you thought today and what you think is going to happen in the market in the month ahead.
Here for other categories, yes.
I'm a good reader, Hannah.